Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make these easy cheesy Parmesan potato wedges. They're homemade oven baked roasted crispy potatoes and they're super simple to make, and you can adapt them depending on the ingredients you have and your family's tastes, which I've written all down in a blog post which I'll leave down below, so be sure to click through for that. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give this lovely recipe a try and what you think of it. So let me show you how to make the Parmesan potato wedges. So I've got a bowl handy to put the wedges into. I've picked out a couple of wedges, a couple of potatoes I'd like to cut into wedges, and I'll just show you the first one. Quite small potatoes, so they're going to be quite small wedges, but we like that, then they'll be super crispy. So I like to cut the potato in half and then cut each half into half and then each quarter into a wedge. So each potato makes about 8 wedges, and as you can see they're very small wedges. They're more like chips almost, but they are just so good. So I'm going to fill my bowl with all the potatoes and then we'll add in the seasoning. Okay, I've got my bowl full of wedges over here, so we'll add on the olive oil first. Go for 2 to 4 tablespoons depending how many potatoes you've got. I'm going to start with 2 and then you can always add more later. I want to add on the seasoning, give it all a toss through and then see if we need to add more. So just toss it through to get them all coated in the olive oil. Okay, now all of the seasoning, it's up to you how much you want to put of each. Go for 1 to 2 teaspoons of paprika and just shake it all on. 1 to 2 teaspoons of garlic. Again, 1 to 2 teaspoons of your oregano or Italian seasoning, just up to you. Salt and pepper to taste. And just give all of the seasoning a good toss through to get it well distributed. And if you think it needs a bit more olive oil, add it at this stage just to moisten it up a bit more. I'm happy with mine. So for the Parmesan, go for a good 1 to 2 tablespoons of Parmesan. I like to add 1. We'll give it all a toss through and then add a second one because that makes such a lovely coating. Okay, 2nd tablespoon. You can really go 2, 4 tablespoons. Get all the seasonings will really depend on your taste and on how many potatoes you've got chopped up. Final toss through. Get everything nice and coated, and I've got the oven, it's just come up to temperature, it's preheating behind me to 200 degrees Celsius, which is 400 Fahrenheit. I have got a baking tray lined with well greased baking paper, and now we're going to pop this on in a single layer. So I've got my well greased baking tray and I'm just going to lay out all the wedges nice and evenly in a single layer on the tray. There you go, the tray is full of all the wedges. They look incredible, smell incredible, and now they're going to go into the oven for 15 minutes. We'll toss them over and then a final 15 to 20 minutes. So I'll show you once they come out of the oven at the halfway point. So it's been 15 minutes. The wedges are out the oven. I'm just going to flip them over and we'll pop them back into the oven for a final 15-20 minutes or until they are golden and crisp to your liking. My wedges needed just another 20 minutes in the oven, and look how beautiful and crisp. They're crunchy and crisp and cheesy and just so amazing. So that's the video for how to make these Parmesan potato wedges that are lovely, crisp and cheesy and are always a hit with the whole family. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know other lovely recipes you'd like to try, and remember to check down below for the link to the blog post which has the full recipe and step-by-step instructions too. So thank you so much for watching and we'll see you again soon. Bye.